What's up everyone? Welcome back. For today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Wikicat using BNB on Trust Wallet. Let's start by logging into your Trust Wallet app. Note that you must have enough Binance Smart Chain token or coin to cover for the gas fees. Now on your wallet, it is recommended that you must first add the Wikicat token. To do that, scroll down and tap Manage Crypto. Tap the plus sign button at the top right of the screen. Under the network, change it to a BNB Smart Chain. After that, go to your browser and search for the contract address of Wikicat token. Make sure that you are using the website of CoinMarketCap. Now on the website, scroll down and look for the contract address. Now, tap the copy button beside it. After that, go back to your Trust Wallet app and simply paste the copied address. It will now show the name, symbol, and decimals for that token. Tap the import button below when you finish checking. Next thing to do is to tap the browser button located at the bottom part of the screen. Now, search for the PancakeSwap.finance in the search bar and wait for it to load. Make sure that your network is in BNB Smart Chain, as you can see on the screen. And then connect your wallet first and choose the Trust Wallet. Now, tap the Trade button at the bottom left of the screen. In here, check first if you have enough BNB token. After that, change the Cake button below and then search for the Wikicat token. Then simply tap the import beside the token. Tap on Understand and click Import to confirm. Now, next is to input the amount that you want to buy. After that, tap Swap or Buy button below. Now, confirm that you want to swap the coin. Then a smart contract call will show up. Confirm that and input your Trust Wallet password. When you're done with that, just wait for it to finish and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.